Yo, what's up, guys? Digital Tech YT here, back again with another video. Today in this video, we're gonna be doing a repair video. I would like to say restoration, which technically it is, but it's more of a repair on 5C. But I'll probably put restoration in the title to get more views. But it's an 8 GB on iOS 8.0.2. Backstory: one friend gave me a bunch of phones at school, and he gave me this one specifically. I thought it was iCloud locked, but it had no password. It was on iOS 8. Had restrictions, took it off, and now it works fine. But I need to just replace the screen. I'll probably just clean it up. So before I do anything, I'm also gonna unbox the screen. So I shall cut right here and then move on to the screen. Okay, so I just cut open the box, and now I'm gonna go take everything out. This is hard doing with the one hand. So I'm gonna just put a second, and boom. Okay, so it comes with tools that I'm never gonna use, and here's the screen. Not too bad for $12. That's exactly how much I got this for. I'm just gonna rip that off because I am not gonna be needing it. And there's already some bubbles. I do not care. I'm probably just going to be leaving these somewhere else. I might take the suction cup, but I also might see the sim inject tool, but I already have the Phillips screw and then the... Well, I might save those. I don't know. But for now, I'm going to be fixing the screen, so I will be back in a jiffy as I start the time lapse. Alright, now before I put the phone together, I'm going to test the LCD by itself by plugging it in bare. So I shall pause the video and return when I have it showing it's alive, and then I'll put it back together through time lapse. Alright, so the power button wasn't working, so I just plugged it in and now it's working. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to fix something with the power button, but I'm gonna wait until it fully boots, and then I'll just see if anything works, and if there is something, I'll put in a clip where I'll show what's the problem, and either I'll fix it, or this video will never get uploaded, which it probably will. So yeah, I'm probably going to go back to reassembling it now. Well, if you couldn't tell by the footage, I have lost 2 screws while removing it in for the screen. It was right here, which is why I had, I think, some trouble with it, and the camera. And now I'm going to try cleaning up the back a little bit, and before I do that, I'm just going to test out the screen and make sure everything's working, which is right now. So yeah, and looks like it's working. I forgot to show about 8 GB on 8.0.2 on Sprint. And before I cleaned it up more, I'm gonna peel back the okay. Peel back. I would have kept it on here until I got a screen protector, but screw it. And now I have a brand new iPhone 5C. Only thing I need to do now is clean up the back. So I'll just do that, but I'll probably do it off camera. No, I'm not gonna do that. Why the hell? So yeah, this is the restoration video. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.